Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and today I'll be showing you 10 shade-loving vegetables and herbs. Let's get to it. So lettuce prefer 3 to 6 direct sunlight per day, and lettuce will grow well in shaded conditions, especially during warmer months, as the shade will help prevent them from wilting and bolting and going to seed. Swiss chard is going to be 3 to 6 hours of sunlight. Swiss chard leaves can become bitter under full sun, so growing them in shade makes the leaves more tender and flavorful and less rubbery. So carrots can grow with afternoon shade and as little as 6 hours direct sun a day. Beetroot can tolerate shade, and providing some shade can prevent bolting and extend the harvest period. So it's going to take a bit longer to get your beetroot, but also if you're growing a lot of beetroot, you don't want to eat all, you don't want to harvest all, so some can still stay in the ground long. Beetroot is going to take 3 to 6 hours of sun. So bush beans is going to be 3 to 6 hours direct sun. Bush beans will thrive in shaded areas and can provide a good harvest with limited sunlight. Radish grow best in temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius and 18 degrees and need about 4 to 5 hours of sunlight to produce their tastiest bulbs. And the leaves you can use in salads with your lettuce. Peas that grow in shade benefit from the shade provided by nearby trees, extending their harvest period. So if you have any fruit trees growing, grow it around there and they will also vine up on the trees. Parsley grow best in cooler conditions and tolerate partial shade. Parsley is gonna need 3 to 4 hours of sunlight or indirect light. It doesn't have to be in the direct sun, it just need to get some sunlight. It can even grow in 1 to 2 hours of sunlight, but it's going to take longer to grow. Dhania prefers cooler temperatures, so it does well in partial shade, particularly in warm climates where full sun can be too intense. The dhania is going to need about 4 hours of indirect or partial sun, especially in hot climates. Thyme does well in partial shade and it will need 3 to 4 hours of sunlight to get the best out of them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you like to support me, you can send us super thanks or become a member. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. Thank you. Backyard out.